Hi, I'm Noah. Welcome to my science show. I will show you how to make a volcano. But before that, did you know how to make a volcano? A volcano is an opening at the Earth surface. Is this just me? Or is it getting hot here? Prepare to uncover hot the volcano. What do we need? Well, we need to 400 drums. Vinegar. Then put the red color. Put food color. And then put the party hat in. Let's paint. And then done. Done painting. Done painting. Now whoa, wow. It worked. It erupted like a volcano. Wow. Wow. Did you enjoy it? Wow! Did you enjoy it? I enjoy it too. That's all for now. Bye.